ఎట్లా కెమెరామన్ అంటే ఎట్లుండాలి? స్టార్ట్ చేసిన మరి వచ్చిందంట. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? అనదర్ టైం కొట్టు, అనదర్ టైం. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు ఓకే అంటే మొత్తం క్లోజ్ అవుతుంది. సో 6కి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. బట్ హియర్ నాట్ వర్కింగ్. అది ఇక్కడ పెట్టు. మెసేజ్లు వస్తాయి, మెసేజ్ వస్తాయి, మెసేజ్లు. అందరికీ నమస్తే, వెల్కమ్ టు ది స్పార్క్ అకాడమీ. So today we are going to discuss about the chemical bonding, Nana. So every week we are doing some chapters regarding the preparation of EAMCET, EAPCET and NEET JEE 2026. All of you get ready to listen the class. All of you please. Okay, so please ask your questions in chat box and you have to follow the video. Okay, and yes Nana, yes. So this video is exclusive for those who are preparing for the EAMCET, EAPCET 2026 and JEE NEET 2026. Okay Nana, those who are completed their first year and second year, and also those who are pursuing the second year of the MPC BPC student, this class is belongs to them exclusively. Okay, all of you, yes guys, you have to ask your question. Yes, hi Nana, Sheikh Jahir. Okay, Sheikh Jahir, hi. All of you please ask your questions in the class. Okay, yes. So this is the one, Nana. The topic we are going to discuss is today chemical bonding, one of the most important chapter, and in any competitive examination regarding the chemistry, any competitive examination, they will ask a question from the chemical bonding, Nana. Most important, because in JEE some of the chapters are deleted, but this chemical bonding is exclusively they will give the question from any examination majorly. So major examinations they will ask question from chemical bond. Okay Nana? Yes, ask your doubts and any questions regarding this one. Okay, so this is Nana. My name is Chandrasekhar, chemistry teacher of the Spark Academy. You are watching this video live. Okay, yes. Then see that Nana, introduction and weightage. So whenever we are going to the introduction and weightage, so this is the one Nana, chapter name, introduction and weightage. So you already know that introduction, that is chemical bonding, okay, and molecular orbital theory. So total discussion of the chemical bonding. Okay na? Yes. Then after weightage Nana, weightage 1 to 2 questions Nana, 1 to 2 questions. That means if it is comes in EAMCET, it will going to be 1 mark. Whenever it is they are asking in NEET, it will weightage 4 marks and -1 for the wrong answer. So everybody please clear Nana. For the EAMCET, it will be 1 to 2 questions. Depending upon the variation of examination, you will get that questions little bit variation. Okay, all of you. Yes. Guys, you have to tell me that, ask your question regarding our academy or doubts or any questions regarding the chemical bonding, you have to ask. Okay now, in the live you have to chat box is there, So in that short you have to ask me. Yes, okay. So enter into the lesson. This is the weightage of the 1 and 2 questions for the examination of point of view. Let's enter into the class and see that Nana. See that downloading this Spark Academy Nana, our academy app. As usual, we already know that in Hyderabad, so many. Yes, sir. What about the our other subject classes? Okay, now you can contact Santosh sir Nana, our director sir. Okay, now you already know that. So I responsible. Okay, now I responsible for the what I am teaching. Please ask regarding these questions. Okay, now any other questions related other than you can contact this number. This number is there 8977525461 Nana. Okay, starting of the question is wonderful question. They are asking very good Nana. Okay, Sheikh Jahir clear? Sheikh Jahir clear about that one? Yes, this is Nana. This is our academy. You already know that Spark Academy, which is located in Hyderabad in 3 branches, and Narayanguda. First of all, second one is Medipatnam. Third one is ECL, and we are providing the offline and online coaches for the EAMCET, EAPCET, JEE, and NEET. Okay, Nana? Yes. So this is our academy. Please download from the Google Play Store, and you have to know that. If you are not getting any information about this one, please note this number 8977525461. Okay, and this is our link to description about this one, so you can WhatsApp this one http://whatsapp.com to this number, and also these are the information regarding this. So if you want to know the information, latest informations, yes, this is Nana. Yes, latest information you have to join the WhatsApp channel Nana. So in this one you will get the YouTube lecture notes and free research sheets and free materials and all latest updated information regarding the examination. Let's go for this one. See, this is Nana. Every day you already know that, sir, we are discussing about chemical bonding, but why you take the periodic table? See that Nana, this is the heart of our chemistry. So every day, every time whenever discussing this periodic table definitely comes. So today my question is, see that Nana, chemical bonding. So these all elements are react each other and forms the compounds. Yes or no? So see that H is there, Cl is there, hydrogen chloride, and Li is there, Cl is there, and here Na is there, F is there. Not only H2O, O is there, H is there. So that means these individual elements are combined together and forms the bond. So that is the bond. Right now we are discussing chemical bonding. Okay na? Yes, let's go for the concept. Okay na? So first of all you have to know that na, in this one concept is, okay na, concept. First of all, what is chemical bonding? You have to know that. What is chemical bonding? Everybody please listen Nana. In this one maximum questions how they are asking, I am explaining right now. Any questions? Guys, those who are watching this live video, please ask your questions regarding this subject. Okay? Yes. And also for the institute also. Okay? Institute also we have to ask. Next one, chemical bonding. First of all, you are reading the chapter chemical bonding. First of all, what is chemical bonding? You have to know that. What and how many types of chemical bondings are there? What? First question is what, then after how many types of, how, and how to identify that bond, how to identify that. So that's yes Nana. Who is this? Ramesh. Very good Nana. Ramesh, good evening Nana. Yes, chemical bonding. Then after we go for the another one is most important is hybridization. Okay, hybridization, very very important. First of all, chemical bonding Nana. So in this up to 8th class, the class will be going on Nana. So for up to 8, how much I will cover, I will tell you to you. Okay na? And also we will do some questions, previous year questions, important question regarding this one. Okay na Nana? Yes, very good. So then hybridization Nana. Then after you have to go for the another one, theories Nana. That means VBT theory, MOT theory, molecular orbital theory. Okay, and you already know that VSEPR theory, okay, VSEPR theory. Okay na, VSEPR theory. So you have to collect all this information. And also last one is dipole moment Nana. Okay, dipole moment. Okay, generally they are asking question from here. And also you already know that bond, okay, bond parameters, okay, bond parameter most of the time. And also you already know that hydrogen bonding is another extra information about this. Okay, all of you, yes. Yes, very good, Nana. You can ask any question, okay? Regarding admission or regarding subject or regarding doubts and regarding the question paper, okay, na? So how they are asking in examination and also how to read. You can ask any question in this one, okay? Let's go for it. So first of all, I will give a short brief information about this one, that is chemical bonding, Nana. So first of all, what is bond? See that first of all understand the concept. What is bond? Okay. The interaction forces combine the two atoms with certain distance. That is called chemical bond. Okay, na? Chemical bond. Yes? Clear? Yes. Next one, see that chemical bonding. So simple, I will take two elements. A is one element and B is an element. When reaction occurs, what will happen? They form some bond. Okay, na? They will make some bond. Formation of bond will be happen. This is atom A. This is atom B. So by combining together, it will form the one bond. Na? Simple. The interaction forces of between two atoms or two molecules or two elements, it will be forms the chemical bond. Okay, now. And here the question is, how many types of chemical bonds are there? First of all, how many types of chemical bonds, Nana? How many types of chemical bonds, Nana? Generally, majorly, so many types of chemical bonds are there. But generally, we are discussing about the types of bonds. That should be first one is going to be ionic bond. Okay, Nana? Ionic bond, Nana. Then after covalent bond, and last one is metallic bond, Nana. Metallic bond. Okay, na? So many bonds are there. In this one, covalent bond is there, hydrogen bonding there. But if you want to know the interaction forces, we have to read the all intermolecular forces, Nana. All intermolecular forces, that is a small topic. You have to read, okay, na? Because I will explain the most important, which is related to the examination of point of view, okay, na? So that is one topic. That is dipole interactions, ion interactions, ion dipole interactions, okay, and also some hydrogen bonding also there. 6 types of intermolecular forces are there. We have to read, Nana. So simply I am telling you have to read the intermolecular force. Okay, intermolecular forces we have to read first of all. After reading of intermolecular forces, you have to observe these topics, Nana. Very, very important, Nana. Very, very important. So if they are asking two questions, they will definitely ask from the hybridization is one, chemical bonding is one. Otherwise, they will ask one question from these two, another question from these three. So we have to focus on the topics. Okay, let's go for the another one. What is here? Ionic bond, covalent bond and metallic bond. Generally, this metallic bond is generally discussed on the metals which will be comes in the D block, Nana. So right now we are not discussing about this metallic bond, but majorly any bond in these two bonds, okay, na? If any bond is occurs, either it is ionic or covalent will be happen. Okay, now so we have to discuss about the ionic bond and covalent bond. Yes, any question, guys? Yes, Sheikh Jahir and Ramesh, all are you enjoying the class? Everybody, please tell me. Are you enjoying the class? Yes, Nana, yes, very good. Okay, let's go for the ionic bond, Nana. So simply, first of all, I will tell you about the ionic bond, then go for the hybridization. Okay, Nana. So in that, anybody interested to join the Spark Academy, just you can contact this number, Nana. 8977525461. So, or you can catch in the Instagram also, and also in WhatsApp also you have to catch. Okay, na? Just then after. So first of all, ionic bond. Okay, Nana, ionic bond. So simply I will discuss about the ionic bond. Okay. So what is ionic bond? Ionic bond. So this is the one. First of all, ionic bond. So ionic bond example. Okay, na? Example you have to take that, Nana. First of all, the example of ionic bond. Daily life you can observe at your home. NaCl, sodium chloride is the best example for the ionic bond. So first of all you have to remember that example. I will tell you how it will be forms. Okay, Nana? And I am also give the example for the covalent bond. Okay, na? Covalent bond. Why I am giving this example? So you can understand what is the difference between ionic bond and covalent bond. Yes. So example is going to be HCl, or you have to take any other example also. So first of all it is NaCl, or you have to take that here NH3, H2O, whatever it may be. Okay. So these all are going to be example for covalent. Generally covalent bonds are so many. Okay, na? Yes. So in this class, first of all understand what is ionic bond. What is ionic bond? Ionic bond, how it forms. Okay, now generally the bonding is explained by the electronegativity. The interaction forces between the two atoms, whether A is one atom and B is another atom. Okay. These both their electronegativity difference is very high. See that, Nana. So in this one, very high electronegativity difference is very high. Depending upon that one, you can calculate this one. Okay, now in this one is low electronegativity, another one is high electronegativity. So that's why. So if which one is low electronegativity, it will lose the electron from the atom, and which one got high electronegativity, it will gain the electron. Simply I am saying that transfer of electron happens in ionic bond. So please note down this one. Transfer of electron happen in ionic bond. See that, Nana? Ionic bond. So happen here how the bond of NaCl forms. Okay, na? So first of all it is difference between the electronegativity is very high, and another one is transfer of electron happen, and in which type of elements they will form. Simply one is metal, another one is non-metal. That means metal and non-metal forms the ionic bond. Simple is for the metal first group and second group. For the non-metal you already know that 17th group, 16th group, 15th group, all p block elements except some remaining all are going to be non-metals. Okay, some metals also there. So this is the one. The electronegativity difference is very high, and also one is metal, another one is non-metal, and also it will lose the electron. A is lose the electron. I am giving this is the NaCl. Na is converted to the Na plus, and Cl is converted to the Cl minus. That means Na will be lost one electron and Cl will be gain one electron. So what is the benefits are? Generally you already know that the elements which containing octet rule is more stable than any other elements in periodic table. You already know that. Generally 18th group elements, that is 0 group elements, are more stable compared to, because it will containing 8 electron in outer orbital. Okay, clear? So 8 electrons in outer orbital, that is going to be. So whenever before that you can check that electron configuration of sodium. Sodium is atomic number 11. So how can you write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1? Actual configuration of sodium is this one. Yes? Yes, very good, Nana. 1 second. So actual electron configuration is this one. But when you lose one electron, what will happen here? Outer electron configuration. Please understand. If you understand the one example, you can easily done the remaining questions also. Okay, na? That's why I am giving one example exclusively. So this is the one, Nana. Clear? Yes. And this is the one after losing of electron. Okay, now that means it will lose the electron from the Na. It is converted. So what happened? It will be gone. So it will converted to the 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So outer electron configuration 8 electrons. It is stable. Yes or no? Very good. Then after Cl, first of all, what is the electron configuration of Cl? 17. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So that means it will be 1 electron less for the octet configuration. That means it will containing only 7. So if we get 1 electron, it will convert it to 8. What happened? If we will take this one, we will take the electron from here. Okay. So here we are taking electron from sodium and it will gain that electron. After that what will happen? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. So it will contain also 8 electron in outer orbit. See that before that is one excess and this is one electron deficiency. But after formation of this bond, what will happen? Both are containing octet rule. You already know that any elements that contain the 8 electrons in the outer orbital, that is called octet rule. You already know that. So what is the benefit? If any element containing octet rule, it will be more stable compared to normal elements. Okay, na? So this is the one. That's why NaCl is going to be ionic bond, Nana. So this is reality about the ionic bond, Nana. First of all, what is bond? What is bond? How many types bond? Then after you go for the ionic bond. Ionic bond main information is first of all, it is transfer of electron happen because of high electronegativity and low electronegativity of the two atoms. Okay, two elements. Yes, anybody ask questions, Nana? Anybody please ask your questions? Sheikh Jahir, any questions? Ramesh? Remaining students also? Yes. So what happened here? NaCl forms. So this is the best example for the NaCl. अभी पिक्चर बाकी है, अभी नहीं खत्म हुआ. इप्पటి వరకు అయిపోలేదు, ఇప్పుడు ఉంది అసలు సంగతి. సార్ క్వశ్చన్ అయానిక్ బాండ్ ఓకే, మరి ఎగ్జామ్ లో మోర్ అయానిక్ అని ఇస్తుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? లెస్ అయానిక్ అని ఇస్తారు. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? Okay, in exam directly they will never ask the what is the ionic bond. They will ask some question, in which of the following is more ionic? Yes. And in which of the following is less ionic? Okay, this type of question they are asking. How to do that? Okay, now in that one I will give you one examples about that one, but you have to understand clear about the ionic bond, Nana. All of you, those who are watching the ionic bond, are you understand? Please respond. Yes. Then go for covalent bond, Nana. Okay, are you clear with this one? So keep it in your mind. I will go with covalent bond. That is very important. Okay, in this covalent bond, okay, in this covalent bond, please remember the electronegativity difference between A and B atoms are very less. Okay, very less. That means if the atoms are both are sharing of electrons happen. Here transfer of electron happen, but here sharing of electrons happen in covalent bond. See, don't by heart any definition, just you have to understand the concept which will be helpful to doing in the solvation of the question in examination. Okay, clear? Yes. So here what happens? Sharing of electron happens. Sharing means it will not give permanently, just it will be shared whenever it forms the bond. So what is the use? You know that every time your friends are sharing some information, some stuff, when you go to party they will sharing. That means they mutually understand and sharing that. In the same way these elements are same electronegativity or very not much difference in the electronegativity. So that's why what will happen, Nana? Sharing of electrons happen. This is best example for this one. HCl, H2O, NH3 you have to take. In this one both are non-metals. Please remember now. Before that one is metal and another is non-metal. Okay, the electronegativity difference is not much compared to ionic bond. Okay. Yes. See that this is the best example, Nana. For example, take that hydrogen, chlorine, N2, whatever it may be. So what will happen? I will take the hydrogen like this one, first one, and here hydrogen, another one. So in this first condition, what will happen? Sharing of electrons, it will be happen. In this one, sharing of electron happen. That's why H2 molecule, okay, H2 molecule, they will form the covalent bond because both are non-metals. Both are non-metals. That will be very, very interesting and very important, Nana. Okay, clear? So metals, if two metals are forming in bond, that is going to metal. It will be discussed in the D block elements whenever we are going to for the D block and F block. Okay? Yes. Yes, Nana. Next one going to be another one going to be next go for the hybridization, Nana. So this is the very, very important. Sharing of electron, transfer of electron, high electronegativity difference, low electronegativity difference, not much related to the ionic bond, and it will be in two non-metals are forming the covalent bond, one metal and another non-metal forms the ionic bond. Are you clear about this one? Okay, now best example you already observed that CH4 is example for the covalent bond. And also sulfur dioxide is example for covalent bond, except to first group and this one remaining maximum they will form this. Both are non-metals. See, one doubt, hydrogen, sir, hydrogen is metal or non-metal? It is a gas, na? It comes under the non-metal. Okay, that's why H and Cl both are forms the covalent bond. Clear? Clear, Nana. Next one going to be very, very important, very, very important. Another one very, very important, Anna, this is hybridization. This is over right now. So you already know that ionic bond, so covalent bond. So in this one you all give the example clear. Both of examples are clear. So next go for the another one. Okay, another one, next one it is going to be. When go to the hybridization, yes, when go to the hybridization, this is very, very important, Anna. This is very, very important about this one. Most of the questions they will covered in examination is comes from the hybridization. See, most very, very, very important topic of the chemical bonding is hybridization. Everybody please note down. Those who are not preparing the hybridization and going for the examination, they definitely lost that 1 mark or 1 question in examination. Okay, so that's why we are entering into the hybridization. So first of all, what is the meaning of hybridization? Okay, what is the meaning of hybridization? Tell me that. Simple. Intermixing of orbitals. Okay, na? Intermixing of orbitals. So right now you are listening orbitals. So orbitals you already know that s orbital, p orbital is there, d orbital and f orbital. That means high energy of atomic orbitals reacted each other and forms the low energy of molecular orbital or hybridized orbital. Okay, they forms the hybrid, that is called hybrid orbitals. The process is called hybridization. Simple. Two atomic orbitals are they are combined each other and forms these some hybrid orbitals. So for example, one S and another one is P. So one S we are taking right now, here one S orbital we are taking and another orbital of P taking. After formation of this is one and this is also one. So two sp orbitals are formed. This is called hybrid non. So hybridized orbitals, and this is normal orbital, that is also atomic orbitals. Okay. Yes, very good. So sp orbitals, how they forms? One s orbital and one p orbital involved. This is going to be two sp orbitals. See that how many hybridized orbitals? These hybridized orbitals are equal to the sum of the atomic orbitals. So please remember this one. So 1 plus 1 we are giving the 2. But these sp containing same energy, after formation of hybrid it will containing s and b, both are containing combined and they will form the same energy. Two orbitals are same energy. Okay, but here s orbital and p orbital energies are different. You already know that, because s orbital shape is, this is spherical and p orbital shape is like this. So when the formation of this one, they will form like this. Okay, simply I am telling like this. Okay, so whether left side, right side, in both side, any side it will be possibility. Okay na? Some people, some students think that only this side. This is not happen. Right side also, top side, bottom side. It will depending upon the overlap. Okay na? Overlap nana. So please remember. Okay. And then you already know that sigma and pi bond, you already know that sigma and pi bond. So if it is sigma bond is single bond, it is going to be sigma. If it is double and if it is triple, one is sigma, remaining are going to be pi. So that total description of this one be explained in the organic chemistry also. So at that time I will discuss about the total information, how the sigma bonds and pi bond bonds. If you want to know that, you have to read the sigma bond and pi bond formation. That is the fundamental, you have to read. Okay na? So which one is axial overlapping and which one is you have to side by side overlapping. Okay na? So that is very important. I am not discussing about that, just we have to discuss about the hybridization types right now. So how many types of hybridations, Nana? How many types of hybridations are there? So you have to observe here how many types of hybridization is there. See that there are so many types of hybridization, Nana. So but you have to think that generally hybridations are sp hybridization, first one. Second going to be sp2 hybridization. Third one going to be sp3 hybridization. Fourth one going to be sp3d hybridization. Fifth one going to be sp3d2 hybridization. Sixth one going to be sp3d3. Clear? Okay, no. So these are the, you already know that. But the problem is, okay na? But the problem is, they will give one molecule or they will give the one compound and ask which type of hybridization it is belongs to. Okay, no. Which type of hybridization it should be belongs to. So they will cover this one. See that, Nana? So sp is best example for, you already know that. Here one sp, one p, here one s and two p, here one s, three p orbitals are involved. Here one s, 3p, 1d, and here one s, 3p and 2d, and here one s, 3p and 3d, and also some dsp also there. Okay, na? dsp2. dsp2 and also d2sp3 also there. These will be observed in the coordination chemistry. So generally these are the hybridization. Okay, these are the hybridization you have to remember. So Nana, how to calculate the hybridization? So first of all I will give the example for each and one. So first of all beryllium chloride is example for sp. So many example for the sp, just I am giving the one or two example right now. Yes, actress world. Okay, assalamu alaikum. Okay, good evening amma, good evening. Yes, who is this actress world? Any questions, Nana? Actress world? Yes, walaikum salam. Yes, this is the one. Yes, BeCl2 and another one sp2 is best example is, you already know that, BF3 boron trifluoride. And for the sp3 example is CH4 none. See that Nana, in this class maximum I covered which one is they are asking in examination. If you want to know the more information or more elaborate, more topic about, either you have to join in the Spark Academy of the online or offline, which one you have comfortable, you have to go for that one. For the information you have to go for this one, 8977525461, or you can contact in the Instagram also, where page is there, Spark Academy. Yes. Next one. So another one, SP3D. This is the example for the best example. You already know that PCl5 now. PCl5, and this is the best example for SFC, sulfur hexafluoride, and last one is best example for this one, IF7. So this is the general they are asking the example. Here so many examples are there. NH3 also there, H2 also there. Okay, here SO2 also there. Okay, CCl4 for this one. Different types of hybridization examples are there, but I am giving very few of right now. Okay. Any questions? Any questions, guys? Please ask me. Yes. Let's go for these are the best example for the hybridization, sir. But one question, sir, how to calculate the hybridization? How to calculate? Simple, Nana. There is a two possibilities. Either organic molecule is there or inorganic molecule. Just go for the first one. If it is a organic molecule, to find the hybridization, you have to count the number of sigma bonds, Nana. So, okay, if it is organic molecule, only 3 hybridization possible, Nana. So, for organic molecule, okay. So, I will give you right now. For organic molecule, only 3 hybridization possible. That is sp, sp2, and sp3. But here how to calculate? The number of sigma bonds are, you already know, if it is 4, it is going to be sp3. If it is 3, it is going to be sp2. If it is 2, it is going to be sp. I will give each one example. Here CH4, Nana, CH4, number of sigma bonds you have to count for the organic molecule, Nana. Only in organic molecule you have only 3 hybridization, sp, sp2, and sp3. Yes. So this is the example for this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if it is 4, you have to calculate this sp3. Okay, number of sigma bonds are here 3. So what is the one? BF3. So I will take for this one BF, another one here, and another. So number of 1, 2, 3. So here 3 are there. It will going to be sp2. Then after number of 2, you already listen this BeCl and Cl. This is the one. BeCl2. Okay, now B is equal to number of sigma bonds. Number of sigma bonds, it will be covered. Okay, now it will be covered when go for the organic molecule. But I am taking here inorganic, so I will go for only organic example. Okay, so which one is simple? C2H4. Okay, here C2H4. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that is the example also, right? But it will comes under the inorganic molecule. I will tell you whenever I am explaining. Okay, see this, Nana. So this is the, and this is another one, C triple bond C H for the best test. See that 1, 2, 3. Okay, now here 1, 2 for this carbon, 1, 2 for this carbon. So sp. Here 1, 2, 3. This is 5 bonds, Nana. These 2 are 5 bonds. Okay, now these are 5 bonds. So you can calculate only sigma bonds. For 3, this is sp2. All are going to be sigma bond. That is going to be sp. Okay, let's go for the another one. If it is an inorganic molecule, you have to simple, Nana. Number of sigma bonds, that is bond pairs, Nana. Calculate the hybridization. Number of bond pairs plus number of lone pair you have to calculate for the inorganic molecules. Okay, if the number of null pairs are there, you have to calculate. Otherwise, you have to 0. It will take as 0. But the formula is this: is bond pairs plus lone pairs. Yes. Next one it is going to be, see that, I will give you one example. For example, NH3. So NH3 structure is like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I am giving one example. You have to use and calculate that one. So whenever doing the question, I will explain clearly. Okay. Yes. So what will happen here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 is there. Okay. So how it is? 1, 2, 3. These are the bond pairs, Nana. So whenever you have to take any bond, for example HCl or whatever it may be, one is going to be here. How to identify bond pair and lone pair? I will tell you right now. Okay, simple, Nana. If you take any compound, first of all it is going to be bond pair which is involved in bonding, and which is not participate in bonding, it is going to be lone pairs. Okay, and single electron if there is there, that is called unpaired, or single electron it is going to be. So find out, lone pair means it is not involved in bonding, bond pair means it is involved in bonding. So here calculate 1, 2, 3, 3 bond pairs and one is lone pair. So this is the one, so you will get 4. So if 4 is there, it is going to be sp3 hybridization. So another example for inorganic molecule BF3. So here BF3, how can you calculate? B1, 2, 3, BF3. So there is no lone pairs. How to calculate this one? Simple, Nana. That is going to be 13th group. Okay, 13th group. So outer electron, you already know that 3 electrons. So 13 minus 3, you will get just 3, 0. 0 lone pairs in this one. So only bond pairs are there. 3 plus 0 lone pairs. That is going to be 3 sp2. And another one is BeCl2. BeCl2. Beryllium is the second group. So these two are reacted. Okay, na B. These two are reacted. So second group na 2 minus 2, you will get 0. 0 lone pairs and bond pairs are 2. 2 plus 0, you will get 2. Answer is sp hybridization. So this type of questions you have to practice, Nana. So if it is organic molecule, calculate that one, and if it is inorganic molecule, calculate the number of bond pairs plus number of lone pairs. Clear? Yes. Next one we are going to be discuss. Another one is topic, you already know that, repulsions, Nana. Repulsions, that is going to be VBT theory. So VBT, according to VBT theory, lone pairs are high repulsions compared to lone pair, bond pair, and another last one is bond pair. That means see that, Nana, that means lone pair have higher repulsions, bond pair have lower repulsions. Clear? Yes. Another one we are going to be discuss the topic of VBT you already completed, and VSPR theory. Using this one, Nana, same, it is related to the VBT theory. By using lone pairs and bond pair, the shape of that orbitals will be explained in the VSPR theory. These are comes as the examples, Nana. So number of lone pairs, number of bond pair, like that. Okay, na? And also molecular orbital theory also you already know that by using molecular. So another one is dipole moment, Nana. Dipole moment. So I will explain little bit information about the dipole moment. So go with this one. So what is dipole moment, Nana? What is dipole moment? Generally in examination they will ask the questions. Okay, generally they will ask in examination, which of the following is a zero dipole moment and which of the following is not zero dipole moment value. Okay, na? So generally this type of question they are asking dipole moment. Okay, dipole moment. Okay. So generally if the elements are same, okay, na? If the elements are same, it will be, okay, na? This has, you already know that electronegativity force are there, intermolecular forces are there. So either it is H or Cl, whatever it may be, you have to take Cl and Cl, H and H, because I am taking that non-metal. It is, if it is Na also, Na also, okay, Na and Na also, you have to take that, this one. So this force, okay, na? This attraction force is direction is like this. So dipole moment is denoted as like this, Nana, dipole moment. Okay, dipole moment is denoted as like this. Yes, hi Nana. Yes, Gians. Okay, are you watching these classes very well? Very good, Nana. So you have any doubts, please ask the questions. Okay, see that. So the condition, okay, na, the repulsion, the attracting capacity of this hydrogen is like this, and another hydrogen is. So what is the net result, Nana? 0. That means same type of molecules, they will form the bond, it will shows the 0 dipole moment. That direction should be same energy but opposite direction, Nana, opposite direction. In our own words I am telling, because of your memory. మీరు గుర్తుంచుకోవడానికి వీలు ఉండేటట్టు నేను మన లాంగ్వేజ్లో మనకు తగ్గట్టుగా చెప్తున్నాను, ఓకేనా? సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు గో ఫర్ ద డెఫినేషన్, దట్ ఈస్ డిఫరెంట్. ఇట్ విల్ బే 1 kilometer length of definition. What is the use? If you cannot understand that definition, what is the use? That's why I'm taking that short and sweet method, just you can understand. Okay? Yes. Clear? Any questions about Spark Academy doubts, you have to ask me, Nana. Okay? Any doubts on Spark Academy, how to contact, you have to ask me on that one. So we will provide information for you. Yes, this is the one, Nana. So generally, if it is different types of electronegativity is there, okay? Different types of electronegativity is there. At that time, what will happen? See that, Nana. HF, see that. This is one electronegativity difference and this is going to be 4.0, it is going to be 2.1. So what will happen? You already know that. Even though it is 2.1, it is 4, this direction is going to be like this. Even though this direction is going to like this, after 2.1, what will happen? The bond will be going this side. That means net result is some is there, some X value. I am not telling about 1 or 2, it's not depending, just you can ask. Okay? Yes, very good. So some compounds I am giving that CH4 is dipole moment 0, H2 is dipole moment 0, CCl4 dipole moment 0. So based on this concept you can understand which one. Okay na? HF is, HCl is there, HBr this, because the net result is there. I don't want to, in examination they will never ask the what is the value, just they will ask whether this compound has dipole moment or not, or they will ask the which of the following is 0 dipole moment elements. 1 2 3 4 they will give 1 2 only, 1 2 3 only, 1 2 3 4, like that they will ask. Okay, Nana? Yes, Jian, thank you for online class, sir. Okay, Nana, it's my pleasure to deliver this all information regarding to the EAMCET EAPCET 2026, Nana. Thank you. Okay na? నీలాగానే చాలా మంది కూడా నాకు కాల్ చేస్తున్నారు and also they are using that, they are giving that valuable feedbacks and also comments. Nana, thank you so much for your wonderful support on these classes. Thank you so much. I mean, thank for each and everyone. So any questions regarding this, you have to ask me, Nana. Okay? Yes, very good. Then go for another one, Nana. Last one, you already know that the topic, you already know that. Just bond parameters, Nana. Sometimes they ask about the bond parameters. So what is bond parameters? You already know that. Bond length, okay na? Okay na? Bond energy, you already know that. Okay na? And also bond order, okay na? Sometimes they are asking question from this area. Sometimes they are asking, you already know that bond length, this is the difference one. And bond energy, you already know. So what is the energy of, and bond order, Nana, bond order. And also bond angle also there. This is also there. Bond parameters, okay na? Generally bond length, bond order, bond angle, Nana. Bond energy is different because it's depending upon so many factors, okay? Yes, very good, Nana. So these are the important topics, Nana. These are the important topics in chemical bonding right now. Okay, right now we are going to this one, Nana. So chemical bonding, hybridization, VBT theory, and also VSPR, dipole moment and bond parameters you have to simple, Nana. If the bond is strong, the length is very less. If the bond is weak, the bond length is very high. See that, Nana. If the bond is very small, the energy also very high. It is inversely proportional to the bond energy. Bond length is inversely. Bond length is this much, bond energy is very less. Bond length is small, bond energy is very high, Nana. Very high. Okay. Thank you for your feedbacks. Next one going to be, so little bit of information Nana right now. Okay na, this is related to the our academy Nana. Just I will give you a couple of minutes of briefing about the our institute Nana. So those who are interested, yes, very good Nana. Those who are interested to join our Spark Academy, please watch this sheet. This is registered batch Nana. Generally it will go in 60,000. Right now we are providing for the only 45,000 Nana. This batch is ranked or repeated batch. This is called, okay na. Entire program is they are giving in 45,000 only, okay na. Then after this is the journey batch after college Nana. So you are regular going to the college. After college you can join this batch Nana. So this is the other offline and online also available. So you have to contact. This is actual price is 40,000, but due to this freedom sale, we are providing for the 30,000. Okay na. Our director Santosh sir providing this wonderful scheme for the student, which will be utilized if the fees is little bit of high. So స్టూడెంట్స్ జనరల్లీ దే ఆర్ థింకింగ్ అబౌట్ ఫీజ్, దట్స్ వై సో వాళ్ళని దృష్టిలో ఉంచుకొని ఫీజ్ అనేది చాలా తక్కువ చేసి మీకోసం ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నానా. ప్లీజ్ యూటిలైజ్ దిస్ వన్. అండ్ అనదర్ వన్ ఈస్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్లైన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫర్ ది యుద్ధం అండ్ పోరాటం నానా. యుద్ధం ఫర్ ది ఎంపీసీ స్టూడెంట్ అండ్ పోరాటం ఫర్ ది బైపీసీ స్టూడెంట్స్, విచ్ ఆర్ యాక్చువల్ ప్రైస్ ఇస్ 10,000, బట్ రైట్ నౌ వీఆర్ గివింగ్ ఫర్ ది 5,000. దిస్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్లీ freedom sale, that's why we are providing this one. So after the freedom sale, we are not normally we are taking this one Nana. So those who are interested, they will contact this number Nana, 897752 yes 25 and 5461. Okay na, please once again I am telling 8977525461. Okay na, best coaching for this one. And also you already know that, so this is the one, you already hostel facility also available Nana. Hostel facility also available. So this is the best coaching with the lowest prices we are providing. So generally you can compare the market price. So that is very less and valuable Nana, valuable. Okay na. So this is the one hostel facility for the both boys and girls. Then after, see that Nana, our academy has 3 branches. Okay na, 3 branches. Generally this is related to the offline Nana, offline. So first one is Spark Academy Narayanguda Nana, Narayanguda branches. Those who are nearer to the Narayanguda, you can join in that one. Then after, yes, this is the one Spark Academy of Mehdipatnam. సో దోస్ స్టూడెంట్స్ హూ ఆర్ నియర్ టు దెమ్, ఎవరైతే వాళ్ళ బ్రాంచ్ దగ్గర ఉంటుందో, సో వాళ్ళ కోసం 3 బ్రాంచెస్ ఉన్నాయి టోటల్ హైదరాబాద్లో. యూ కెన్ జాయిన్ దిస్ వన్. అనదర్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్లీ ఇన్ ఈసీఐఎల్ నాన్న. ఈసీఐఎల్, this is the branch we are providing for this Nana, Spark Academy. Okay na. So these all are going to be ranked 1 Nana, ranked 1 from the all institute. You have to compare, this is the best institute we are providing the best results every year. Okay na. So this is offering the 3 prime areas Nana, Hyderabad. First one is Narayanguda, second one is going to be Mehdipatnam, third one is going to be ECIL. Okay Nana, you can contact this number. So this is the program Nana, you can watch this Yuddham 2.0 2026. This is exclusively online Nana, online program, you already know that. So it will be available at 4,999 now. Very pocket friendly fees. Okay na. So you already know that if you are 5 or 10 members, you are going for the any movie, that will be finished that much of amount, because you already know that movie ticket rates how much it is going to be. Okay na. So if you utilize this one, you can. This is exclusively for the MPC Nana, MPC students who are preparing for the EAMCET or EAPCET for JEE. Those who are, it will be helpful for them Nana. Either you are preparing for EAMCET or JEE, it will be very helpful. Okay, yes, very good now. Clear? Yes. So this is the one Nana, and another one is going to be, this is the Poratam 2.06. This is exclusive for the BPC students, those who are preparing for the NEET and EAPCET. We are providing this one Nana. This is the one, Nana. So it is also same 4,999 4999. You can contact for the yes. So this is the one, Nana. You have to take any course and then we have to do some previous year questions, Nana. So this is all exclusive about the our program of Spark Academy. Yes. You can ask any questions, Nana. So right now we are doing previous year questions. Right now we will do that previous questions. సో నేను ఇప్పుడు ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్కి సంబంధించిన కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ చేద్దాము. దాన్ని బట్టి మనం అర్థం చేసుకోవచ్చు ఏ విధంగా క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తున్నాయి అండ్ హౌ టు అటెంప్ట్ దట్ క్వశ్చన్ వెరీ క్లియర్లీ. ఓకేనా నాన్న? ఎస్. సో ఐ విల్ గో విత్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ బిఫోర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి నాన్న. సో ఓకే, ఎస్. The first question from the previous year, Nana. So what's these questions, Nana? These are the some important questions, Nana. Some important questions of the, and after that I will give you a challenging questions. Okay, na? So first of all I will explain this one topic, then after I will do that. This previous year are important questions and we have to ask some challenging question for you. After this class you have to do that answers and you have to put the your response in chat box. Okay, yes. Yes, very well done, Nana. Very well done. So the first question I am asking this one. Among, see that, Nana, among LiCl, lithium chloride, beryllium chloride and boron trichloride and carbon tetrachloride. Okay, na? So this is the one we are taking that. That means among the LiCl, BaCl2, BeCl3 and CCl4, the covalent bond character follows the order. They are asking about the covalent bond character. This is the question. They are giving the four options. Okay, Nana? So whenever I am explaining about the, I am explaining about the ionic and covalent bond, I already told you they will ask about the covalent nature, they will ask about the ionic nature. If they are giving the two ionic compounds, they are asking which one is more ionic and which one is less ionic. Yes. See that, Nana? So they are asking, the problem is here BeCl2, BeCl3, CCl4 and LiCl, and BeCl2 less than BeCl3, CCl4 less than LiCl. Okay, here LiCl is less than BeCl2, less than BeCl3 and CCl4. Fourth option is LiCl is greater than, BeCl2 is greater than, BeCl3 is greater than CCl4. Sir, how to find out? Simple, Nana. Simple, very, very important. And that one is going to be first one by using Fuzzen's rule, Nana. Fuzen rules. You already know that. To identify the bond type, you can follow the Fuzzen's rule, Nana. In Fuzzen's rules, you have to know that. First of all, here you can observe this here. If cation size or cation numbers are increasing, it will favor the ionic bond. Ionic bond. So many factors who influence the ionic bond and covalent bond formation. In that one, majority I am telling that, okay, na, so many factors, effective nuclear charge also there, ionization energy are there, so many factors influence. So if you want to the detail about, you have to read that factors influence the formation of ionic bond or covalent bond, you have to read. Okay, na? Yes. See that? So the question is this one. So in this one, these are the cations and in this is the cations and these are the anions. So first of all, covalent bond is defined by the anion. So you have to check the anion, where it is the anion. So Cl is the anion. See that now. So how much that anion percent is increasing, covalent nature also increasing. Please remember this one. Okay. So by using that knowledge, yes, anybody, this one. So what will happen, Nana? In this one you can observe in one condition, one chlorine, here 2 chlorines are there, here 3 chlorines are there and 4 chlorines. So maximum you can observe this, Nana, maximum you can observe this anion ratio is increasing. Most of this, so you compare to cation or some other compound, this one anion ratio is increased. So in this one 4 is there, that's why you go for this one, then after this one, and then after and this one. So increasing anion ratio, it will leads for the covalent nature. So the answer is C, Nana. C. Lithium chloride is less than beryllium chloride is less than boron chloride is less than carbon tetrachloride. Okay, Nana? Yes. Yes, very good. So this is the one. Are you clear about this one, Nana? Any question? Jians, Ramesh, and actress world, and also Sheikh Jakir. Any questions related to this one? You can ask any questions now. So next we are going for the another question, Nana. So this is the logic Fuzan rule you have to read, and also factors affecting the formation of bond, either ionic or covalent. Okay, Nana. If you covalent bond, okay, na, anion size increasing or anion count is increasing, that is going for this one. Okay, na? Clear. This is for the ionic bond. This is for the covalent bond. Here they are asking covalent bond. That's why we go for the C is the right answer. Next one, second question. See that. Read that question, Nana. Among the following, which compound will show the highest lattice energy? That means among the following, the which compound shows the highest lattice energy? That is the they are asking question. Yes, thank you, Nana. Thank you, Giants. Every time you are following my videos, I hope, okay, na, you will get that best result. Okay, na, don't worry. Next one. So here they are asking the highest lattice energy, Nana. Highest lattice energy. Simply, so here they are giving KF, potassium fluoride, and sodium fluoride, and CS fluoride, cesium fluoride, and rubidium fluoride. So in this one we have to observe, Nana. So what is the relationship between lattice energy? And here you can observe. See that all are containing EF. So there is no effect of the F in the formation of this lattice energy. But what they are changing in this K is there, and here Na is there, and CS is there, and Rb is there. So first of all you can write arranging Na, potassium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, and cesium. This one. Okay, Nana? Very important, very important, Nana. So in this one, what will happen, Nana? The topic is lattice energy. Lattice energy is inversely proportional to the size of the cation. So please remember, lattice energy is inversely proportional to the size of the cation. That means size of the cation is more, lattice energy is very less. Size of the cation is less, lattice energy is more. They are asking high lattice energy. That should be, if it is want to high lattice energy, size of the cation should be very small. So in this one, which one is very small? See that from the top to bottom, what will happen? Atomic size or atomic radius in condition, fluorine is neutral. Yes. Yes, welcome back to the class, Nana. So some technical issues, some interruption happened, Nana. So you can ask any questions, Nana. So this is the one we have to discuss. Okay. So this is the question. The correct sequence of increasing covalent character represented by. Okay, na, they are asking about the covalent character, Nana. That is most important. Okay. So we are going for this question. See that, Nana, options are LiCl is there, and next one is BeCl2 is there, and another one is NaCl is there. Okay, na? So you already know that covalent chlorine. Here two chlorines are there. Here only one chlorine, and this is one chlorine. So covalent character decided by the anion, Nana. So what is here? So in these three, beryllium chloride has highest. You know that. So highest is beryllium chloride, that's chloride. But in these two, which one has less covalent character and which one is more covalent character? First of all, you have to check. Okay, no. So what will happen? Both are containing same chlorine, so it will not decided by this chlorine. So what will happen, Nana? So here you have to check that. In down the group, what will happen? This ionic ratio is increasing. Ionic nature is increasing. What about covalent nature? Decreasing. So first one is beryllium, then after you will get lithium, then after sodium. That means sodium is the less, very less. Then after lithium, then after beryllium. So the answer is going to be NaCl less than, LiCl less than, and BeCl2. Okay, Nana? Ask any questions? Okay, so this is the one we have to go for the answer. Another one, Nana, another question you have to go this. So this is related to the bond parameter, that is bond energy. Okay, bond energy, we have to do this question, Nana, bond energy. Yes, bond energy. So see this question. The table shown below gives the bond dissociation energies. The table shown below gives the bond dissociation energies for single covalent bond of carbon. They are asking the single covalent bond of carbon atoms with A, B, C, D. They are giving that CA, that means C is attached with A, C is attached with B, C is attached with C, and C is attached with D. They are giving. They are asking about the bond dissociation energy. They are asking. Okay, na? Which element has smallest atom? They are asking smallest atom. So how to find out this smallest atom? So you have to remember this one, Nana. So this is bond and this is dissociation energy. So Ca has 240 and this is 328, this is 276 and this is due to 485 kilojoule per mole. Okay, na? Kilojoule per mole. So by using this energy you can find out. You already know that. See that, Nana? Which one is strongest bond? You already know that. The bond dissociation energy. Which one contain highest energy? It will the most strong. If it is more strong, the bond length is very short. Okay, na? The bond length is very short. It going to be, so the atom is also very small atom. That is going to be, so the answer which one is 485? C, D is the correct answer. So answer B is the none. So depending upon dissociation energy, we can find out this one. Highest energy, smallest atom. Smallest energy, so bigger size atom. So the answer is D. C is attached with D. So answer is option B, answer D. Okay? Yes, very good. Next one. Another question we are going to be. So which of the following species containing 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair around the central atom? So here the question is related to the bond pairs and this is about the lone pair. So under the following they are giving H2O, water, boron trifluoride and also NH2 minus here and PCl3. They are asking, so in this compound which one has lone pair 1 and 3 bond pairs? So all are containing lone pairs and bond pairs. But how to find out? Simple, Nana. So lone pair means like this. You have to write this one. Bond pair means like this, formation of bond. Okay, na? So check everything, you will understand this one. For example, you take H2O, you write oxygen and it is attached with 2 hydrogens. So 2 bonds are over, remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 electrons, 16th group now oxygen. That's why going to 1 lone pair, 2 lone pair. Here 2 lone pairs and 2 bond pairs. Okay, now these are the bond pairs, these are the lone pairs. Okay, these are the lone pairs. The star mark are the lone pairs, right mark are the bond pair. So what will happen? 2 lone pair, 2 bond pair. They are asking 3 bond pair, lone pair. So we will check another one. Okay, so another one is BF3. You can write this one, BF. This is another one, this is structure, another one, this is another structure, BF3. Yes. So in this BF3, what will happen, Nana? BF3, there is zero lone pair, zero lone pairs, no lone pairs, and three bond pairs. Okay, three bond pairs. It will going to be zero lone pairs, three bond pairs. It is acted as a not is. It is not also equal to this one. Another going to NH2 minus NH2. Okay, already one is there, you are getting minus now, that's why you are getting another lone pair. So here two bond pairs and two lone pairs, this is also not. And go for the PCl3 structure. Okay, PCl3 structure, P is there, one is Cl here, another Cl is there, here Cl, and one lone pair is there. So depending, it is 15th group now, that's why three bonds are going. So you cut down this one, three bonds are going, it will going to be 2. So two electrons are equal to the one lone pair. So here three bond pairs plus one lone pair. So this is the one, three bond pairs and one lone pair. This is going to be, the answer is PCl3. Okay, the answer is PCl3, Nana. So you have to remember this one. Next one going to be another one. So this is, in regular octahedral molecule MX6, the number of XMX bonds at the 180 degrees. They are asking 180 degrees and the bond should be XMX. So first of all, they are asking about the octahedral. Octahedral means which type of hybridization, Nana? sp3d2. So you already know that octahedral, it will containing sp3d2. The shape of octahedral belongs to the sp3d2. So whenever it is sp3d2, it will containing, okay na, 6 atoms. For example, I will take, this is the M and X should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is the main element. These are the bonded. This one MX6 type. Nana, you have to take any element, you depending upon the example. But here they are asking XMX bond in 180 degrees. So 180 degrees MX bonds, how many? Here you have to check. This is the one, because 180 degrees, this is the second one, 180 degrees, this is the third one, 180 degrees. So what will happen? 1 and the 2 and this is the 3. So 3 also there here, where it is the option A is the right answer now. They are asking XMX bonds. So XMX 1, 2, 3 another. 3 bonds are there. You have to go for the option 3. So that is the answer now. Okay, clear? Clear about this one? Any questions regarding the academy or any subject, Nana? Please ask right now. All of you. So this is the one. Next go for the another question, Nana. So if you have any doubts or any questions regarding the academy or subject, or you have to ask in chat box, Nana. So this is the information number 8977525461. Once again I am repeating 8977525461. So you can contact this one, our department, administration department will take care about this. So you can ask any information about our academy. So the question you have to observe, Nana. First of all, the question here, the correct geometry and hybridization of XeF4. You can observe this. The correct geometry and hybridization of XeF4. So what is here? Octahedral is sp3d2. B option is trigonal pyramidal sp3d. And third option, planar triangle. Planar triangle for sp3d3. And D option should be square planar. Okay, square planar. Clear? So this is the question. Okay, now they are asking, this is the question. So please let me know that what is the answer. Can anybody give that answer? Those who are watching the online class, this live YouTube live, please answer. Anybody, if you knows anybody, please answer this one. Anybody? Whether it is right or wrong, you have to give your answers. Yes, I am waiting for your answer, Nana. Quickly you have to answer. See that? The correct geometry and hybridization. They are asking two in this one. Geometry also we have to tell and hybridization. Both should we have to tell. Not only about hybridization. See that. So first of all you have to find out the hybridization. So how to write this hybridization? First of all you write the xenon. So xenon is the 18th group. That's why it will containing 8 electrons in outer orbit. That is octet. So I will write 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is the one. Okay. So how fluorines are 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many lone pairs? 2 lone pairs. Lone pairs. They are asking about pairs. Okay, na lone pairs and also 4 bond pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bond pairs. 2 lone pairs, 4 bond pairs, both are containing 6 bonds. So if it is 6, you already know that it is considered as sp3d2. So in this one, which one has sp3d2? A option is there and D option is there. Both are containing sp3d2. From in these two, A and D, which one is correct? Which one is correct? I have to explain right now. Okay, na? So you go for this shape. So general normal without lone pair electron, that means 0 lone pair electron, the shape is octahedral. Okay, octahedral. But here the shape is, you have to understand, 2 lone pairs are there and 4 bond pairs also there. So whenever it is there, the shape should be square planar. Square planar. This is the square planar which containing 2 lone pair electrons. So the shape is square planar sp3d2. Answer is D. Simple. If you are getting the hybridization, you don't go directly for this answer because there is another answer also there. But you have to check the geometry also. If the geometry is correct, at that time both are correct. Shape and this is the hybridization. So I hope you can understand this question. Most important now. Because why I am telling the most important? These all are important, but this hybridization question definitely they will ask every time one question. Okay? Right. Then go for another question. So this is the one. In which of the following molecule has trigonal planar geometry? They are asking. Trigonal planar geometry. So every student thinks like, sir, all are containing 3 na. That's why all molecules are containing trigonal planar. Is it right? No, Nana. It's depending. The shape is depending upon number of lone pairs and bond pairs. Okay, na? So first of all, find out which type of hybridization it is going to be. You already know that. So first of all, you have to find out the hybridization. Okay, na? Yes. What is the hybridization of here? So here sp2 hybridization is there. Here sp3 hybridization is there. And here you already know that sp3 hybridization also there. Here you already know that 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, na? 3 bond pairs and also 2 lone pair sp3d. Okay, na? So what is the relationship this hybridization and geometry? So much of relationship between these two, Nana, I will tell you right now. So if it is generally, if it is sp2, okay, na? If it is sp2, it will shows the trigonal planar. So here what is done? sp2, okay, na? This is the correct answer. 1 second. This is the correct answer. So this is the correct answer. What is this? BF3 is the correct answer. And also you can draw the structure. One is F is here, another one is here, and another one is here. So you can observe this trigonal planar. So whenever you have to come here, there is a possibility, but you can check these. Generally, sp2 hybridization shows the trigonal planar structure. sp3 you already know that tetrahedral and V shape and also pyramidal. But here lone pair is there, na? That's why it will show the pyramidal. Here PC also lone pair is there. Remaining Cl, Cl and Cl. This will containing sp3 hybridization and it will show the, you already know that shape of different. Next one it is trigonal pyramidal. These are the trigonal pyramid, not planar. And last one is P3D. You already know the shape is different. So answer is BF3 nana, BF3. So this is the most important questions, and we have to practice like this. Not only this one, if you want the more information and more questions and more topic about this one, you can join in the offline or online of our academic courses, which is very useful for the preparation of EAMCET, EAPCET. Okay, no problem. Okay, and then go for this one. Yes, this is the one, Anna. So this is about our academy, which is providing so many results every year. So every year we are providing some wonderful results. This is going for the percentage of the JEE mains, and this is go for the NEET results. So we are giving the best results for the EAMCET also. So this is the results page. You have to more information about that, you can contact our management. They will explain about that one. Then after, key features. Okay, Nana. So right now I am discussing about the our academy, Nana. Very important. Key features of our online or offline coaching. Okay, online or offline coaching. So first of all, daily live classes by the best teachers, Nana. This is very important. Daily live classes, whether it is offline or online, depending upon the course which you selected, that is the main base. We are providing the daily live classes by the best teacher, and also solve your doubts in classroom. That means if you are getting any doubts in your offline, that is the better thing, because if we are available at the class and we have to provide the solutions for the what you are getting doubts. Yes, another one, live quizzes, Nana, and interactions. Sometimes we are providing some quiz programs related to the subject, which will be deals with the information of the topic. Next one, shortcut methods and tricks, Nana. So sometimes the time is very less for the examination. Every question has at least 1 or 1.25 minutes. In that one, you have to read that and analyze and understand. At that time, some difficult questions you will be arise. At that time, you will get these tips and tricks are very important. Okay, then after study notes will be shared, Nana. Study notes. Okay, study notes. Every time we are providing some study notes, and 24/7 doubts clarification through AI bot. Then after, special workshops and extra classes during the Dasara, Sankranti and summer also. So some students think like, sir, in holidays also classes now. Okay, na? It is not a normal classes. Some interesting classes we will provide, which will not disturb your festivals also. Okay, na? So we are entire day we are not provided that time, Nana. Yes. So you have to provide some important information regarding the examination at the time of the holidays. Okay, yes, very good. Next one is going to be focus on PYQ, previous year questions, and important models. Very important. Previous year questions and important models we have to discuss. Okay, then after, see that personalized coaching with dedicated helpline. Okay, na, personalized coaching with dedicated helpline, Nana, and WhatsApp group will be provided, created for the, and you have to share information in that one, and chapter wise test, weekend test and grand test will be provided. Then post exam counseling guidance. Okay, na, our director sir, Santosh sir, will be assist you for this one. So after examination, generally after completion of examination, nobody will take care about that one, but we will be providing some post counseling examination. You have any doubts about counseling, you can follow our app, or you can contact our this number 89775254. At that time we will provide some counseling guidance. Then after, complete online study material also provided, recorded classes available in the students miss the session. Sometimes we go for the any vacation, or sometimes we are not attending for due to emergency condition, due to health problem, whatever it may be, depending upon their personal problems, they will not attend. ఎప్పుడైతే మీరు ఆ క్లాసెస్ అటెండ్ గారో అప్పుడు మనకు రికార్డెడ్ వీడియోస్ అనేటివి ఉంటాయి. సో ఇట్ విల్ బి ఇన్ దట్ యాప్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు వాచ్ అగైన్. దట్స్ వై యూ విల్ నెవర్ మిస్ ద టాపిక్ ఆఫ్ ది ఎగ్జామినేషన్. ఓకే, ఎస్. దెన్ గో ఫర్ another one is going to be personal mentorship and regular interaction, Nana. Then daily assessment. Okay, na, daily assignment we are giving the daily assignment. So this is very very important for the all of the examination. And also our speciality, see that Spark Academy methodology. So every academy has their own style of teaching, okay na? But our strengths are, we have to that basic concept, nana. We are very clear about the basic concept, because in IB generally students never know about the basics. They will read about the important questions and they will come with the marks only, okay na? Most of the time, not all, I am telling, most of the students, so they were not familiar with the basic concept. At that time we will discuss about this one. And shortcut methods, nana. Shortcut methods also we will provide for this one. And all model questions, all model questions should be covered in this one, okay na? Then exercise questions also we will give. Then after PYQ, this is most important, we have a strong database related to the previous year questions, so we will provide so many of questions that will be enhance your coaching, okay na? Enhance your preparing, okay na? Yes. Next one, chapter wise test, na. After every chapter we will conduct one examination regarding to that, how the students are going to deal with the questions. That is very very important. Yes, any questions, nana? Please ask me right now. Any questions you have to ask me. So this is the weekend test, nana. Weekend test, okay, and this is the chapter wise test. After every week we are conducting one, and another was also grand test, nana. After some chapters, okay na, after some week we will provide the grand test also. And this is the best one, nana, test analysis. After writing every examination, we have to analyze how we are going to be wrong. ఎందుకు మనకి ఇన్ని మార్క్స్ వస్తున్నాయి, ఎక్కడ మిస్టేక్ అవుతుంది, దీన్ని అనలైజ్ చేసి మనం దానికి సంబంధించిన ప్రిపరేషన్ కూడా యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రొవైడ్, నానా. సో ఫర్ అడ్మిషన్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు కాంటాక్ట్ దిస్ వన్ నంబర్, ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, నేనా ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ఏ ఛాలెంజెస్ క్వశ్చన్స్, నానా. ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ఏ ఛాలెంజింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఫర్ యూ. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ యూ, ఛాలెంజింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్. సో దోస్ హు ఆర్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్, ప్లీజ్ ఆన్సర్ మై ఛాలెంజింగ్ క్వశ్చన్, ఓకే. So first of all, I am giving a challenging question of number 1. This is your challenging question. First question is, strongest bond is in between. The question, what is the question? Under the following, ante ichina options lo ఏది స్ట్రాంగెస్ట్ బాండ్ అనేది క్వశ్చన్, ఓకేనా. విచ్ ఇస్ ద స్ట్రాంగెస్ట్ బాండ్ in between. So see that one is cesium fluoride, another one is NaCl, and C is both A and B. They are telling both A and B are the strongest bond telling. Next, another one is none of the above. See that how much crazy options. They are asking either A or they are asking B, and they are asking both A and B, and last one is none of this. See how much the different of the options. So you have to think yourself and give the answers in the chat, okay na, comments, your comments and this one. So next question, Nana, is it clear about this question? Anybody will answer right now? You have to answer, no problem. Otherwise after that you have to answer, okay. So this is the first question, and another question I am giving, Nana. So this is very very important, very very important regarding to the VBD theory, valence bond theory, VSPR theory. So the combination, see that predict the correct order among the following. Predict the correct order among the following. See that bond pair, next lone pair, bond pair, next one lone pair, Nana. So all are containing bond pair, lone pair, lone pair. Next one lone pair, bond pair. Here bond pair, and lone pair. Here third option is lone pair, lone pair, bond pair, and bond pair. Another option, another one is lone pair, bond pair, lone pair, and lone pair. So this is related to the lone pair and bond pair interactions between these two. You have to answer this one, Nana. Okay, yes. Anybody, any questions? Okay, no issues. Okay, very good. Next one, another question, most simple, but some logic question it is there. So you have to prove yourself by answering this one, okay, Nana. So what is this? Which of the following molecule containing no pi bond? Okay na, this one. So options are sulfur dioxide, Okay, sulfur dioxide, next one nitrogen dioxide and carbon dioxide and water. So in which of the following it will shows the this one pi bond. Only one compound shows the pi bond. No pi bond, Nana. No pi bond. That means it will not containing pi bonds. All molecules are containing pi bond, but except one molecule. In that one, which one is? You have to select that one. Okay, na? And this is the one, Nana. So once again, I am repeating this one. See that Yuddham 2.0 2026. దీనికి సంబంధించినది ఆన్లైన్ కోచింగ్ నాన్న ఇది. సో జనరల్గా మీరు రెగ్యులర్గా నేర్చుకుంటూ ఉంటారు కదా. సో దానికి సంబంధించిన 4999. సో ఆఫ్టర్ కాలేజ్ ఆల్సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు పార్టిసిపేట్ ఇన్ దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. అండ్ ఆల్సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫర్ ది ఎంపీసీ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఓకేనా. సో EAMCET JEE, those who are preparing EAPCET JEE, this is the best example for that one. And also then after this is Poratam batch 2.0, okay na. So this is the one 2026 batch about this one. So for BPC students we are providing this one. BPC students, for those who are preparing for the NEET and BPC, so they are the EAMCET and NEET we are providing this one. This is also 4999. See that the fees is pocket friendly, Nana. Pocket friendly. You have to go for this one. Another one. These are our results. Okay, na. Highest results here. So the total summarization of these results are. Next one going to be here. So the fees, Nana. Once again, I am telling about the fee structure. Those who are missing the class at the starting time, that's why some students are asking right now about the fees and structure of that one. That's why I am explaining this one, Nana. So all of you, please listen. We are in a freedom cell, Nana. We are in a freedom cell that will be very, very helpful to you. Yes. Abdul Wahab, hi. Okay, Nana. Abdul Wahab, hi. How are you? Abdul Wahab, nice, Nana. See that here, this is the facility of the Spark Academy. See that, Nana, this is the one. So please observe this. Right now we are providing the freedom cell. This is the restart batch, Nana. Restart batch containing actual fees 60,000, but we are providing 15,000. 15,000 we are giving the discount, it is 45,000. Then after it is journey's actual price is 40,000, but we are providing for 30,000 only. Next one, it is Yuddham and Poratam, which is exclusively for 10,000 rupees, but here we are going to deal with 5,000 rupees in Indian currency. Okay, na? Yes, this is the one. And also restart for the long term batches, Nana. Those who are repeaters and long terms, those who are we are taking long time, that is. Then if journey is after college, your evening times are there, Nana. So at that time we are providing this journey batch. And also Yuddham batches also we are providing in the evening class. And first you have to please contact our branch, and you have to ask your personal doubts. Then only you can join. I am not telling you have directly join that, okay na? You can ask any questions about the programs, about the regarding online and offline, and also about the teachers, about the exam patterns. Everything will be explained by our director sir and our management team. So don't worry. So you have any doubts. And those who are living in the long distance, we are providing the hostel facility for the boys and girls, Nana. Both boys and girls we are providing. So utilize this opportunity, Nana. So this is the best coaching with the lowest price, Nana. So if you spend on the money on a quality education or quality institute, you will get the best result. It's not a shocking. If you spend your money on a valuable time and valuable coaching and valuable institute, that will be give the best result. Simple logic. So choose the best one. Okay, this is the one. Next one. So this is our academy app, Nana, which will be downloaded from the Google Play Store. You will get this one. Okay. So this is by using. So this is our logo, Nana, Spark Academy logo. You can observe this by using, because whenever some typing Spark Academy, so many will, but Spark Academy Hyderabad, this is the one best EAPCET coaching center. Okay na, for the NEET, JEE, EAMCET and EAPCET. Okay na, this is the one 2026, and these are the get access this one. So if you want information about this academy, scan this, Nana. Otherwise you can contact this number. Both options are there. You can feel free to, and also follow in the Instagram Spark Academy online, and also Spark Academy for the YouTube. You are available at we are available at YouTube and also Instagram, and you can take a contact phone number. Other way, you physically approach that branch. Okay na? So these are the facilities we are providing right now. Okay, another one is, see that Narayanguda is there. Those who are nearer to the Narayanguda, so please join in this one. Those who are related, so Mehdipatnam area, you can join in this one, and it is related to the Secunderabad, related to areas, you can join in the ECL Nana. The most top college, top rated institute in the Hyderabad premises. Okay na? So this is the one. Next one Nana. So these are the key features. I already explained. In this one, very strong is here Nana. Previous year questions and shortcut methods we are providing very enthusiastic and also stress free learning are available Nana. మన దగ్గర ఉన్న ఒక అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఏంటంటే జనరల్ ఇవన్నీ చెప్పినప్పుడు కొంచెం స్టూడెంట్స్ స్ట్రెస్గా ఫీల్ అవుతూ ఉంటారు. మ్యాథ్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఫిజిక్స్, కెమిస్ట్రీ అన్నీ ఉంటాయి. సో ఎట్ ద సేమ్ టైం అన్ని కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్. బట్ మన దగ్గర ఏంటంటే ఫ్రెండ్లీగా ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్, ఓకేనా, ఈకో ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ అంటారు కదా. సో స్ట్రెస్ ఫ్రీ కోచింగ్ అనేది అవైలబుల్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా, స్టూడెంట్ చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఆడుతూ పాడుతూ మంచిగా లెర్నింగ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో యూటిలైజ్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద వన్ నాన్న, ఎవ్రీ వన్ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి మీకు డైలీ ఏం జరుగుతుంది అనేది తెలుస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ పోస్ట్ ఎగ్జామ్ కౌన్సిలింగ్ అనేది మనకు బెనిఫిట్, అండ్ డైలీ అసైన్మెంట్స్ అనేవి ఉంటాయి. జనరల్ ఏదో ఒక అసైన్మెంట్ మనకు ప్రతి రోజు ఖచ్చితంగా అసైన్మెంట్ అనేది ఉంటుంది నాన్న. సో ఎస్, ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ప్లీజ్ ఆస్క్ మీ రైట్ నౌ. ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్, ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ ప్లీజ్ ఆస్క్ మీ. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, see that Nana. So this is the one, basic concepts, shortcut methods, all model questions and previous year, chapter wise, weekend wise grand test and test analysis also available Nana. So this is main Nana, exams are conducting and with previous year question practice and analyze, the most okay na. Yes, next one here. So you can contact us at sparkacademy.com and you have to get https whatsapp.com. Also you have to click here Nana. Whenever you have to, either you have to scan this QR code or you can click here. What will happen? You will get that, join our WhatsApp channel. What will you get? You will get the YouTube lectures and free resource sheet and free materials available and all latest updates also you will get. Okay na? So next one. So if students are interested to learn some in free mode, you have to get Nana, because some rurals లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు కూడా ఉంటారు, సిటీకి దగ్గర ఉన్న వాళ్ళు కాకుండా రూరల్స్ లో వాళ్ళు రాకపోవచ్చు కోచింగ్. ఎట్ దట్ టైమ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు క్లిక్ దిస్ వన్ నాన్న. మీకు ఒక యూఆర్ఎల్ ఇస్తున్నాను, tinyurl.com study 2026. మీరు కనుక ఈ లింక్ కనుక మీరు టైప్ చేసి ప్రెస్ చేసినట్టయితే మీకు సంబంధించిన ఆల్ ప్లేలిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ యూట్యూబ్ చాప్టర్ వైజ్ వెయిటేజ్, హ్యాండ్ రిటర్న్ నోట్స్, ఇంపార్టెంట్ అప్డేట్స్ అనేవి ఎవ్రీ టైం మీకు అవైలబుల్ వస్తాయి. దోస్ హూ ఆర్ నాట్ రెడీ టు అటెండ్ ద క్లాస్, ఎందుకంటే కొందరికి చాలా డిఫికల్ట్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా, వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ లాంగ్ డిస్టెన్స్, ఫైనాన్షియల్, ఏదైనా కానీ వాళ్ళ కోసం అనేది ఒక యూఆర్ఎల్ అనేది మనం ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో ప్లీజ్ యూటిలైజ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకేనా, సో ఇంకోటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, టైంకి వర్క్ చేసినప్పుడు రిజల్ట్స్ అనేవి ఆటోమేటిక్గా వస్తాయి. ఓకేనా, సో యూటిలైజ్ ద టైమ్ అండ్ ఎంజాయ్ దట్ క్లాసెస్. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ నాన్. So if you like my video and if you subscribe for our channel Nana Spark Academy and click the bell icon and go for this one Spark Academy Nana. So these are the very important Nana. Last one we have to provide this very important, that is this sale Nana. So finally I am telling this is the ending of the session. So this is the Nana, please note down this number Nana, all of you, 8977525461 Nana. Okay na, our management will be respond. These are the fees, you already know that. So utilize this opportunity and enjoy the classes, and every week we will update with new video in the chemistry. This is chemistry, okay na, faculty of chemistry Chandrasekhar, my name is. So you will enjoy the classes every week. Okay na. So thank you for your outstanding support on me. So being like you have to support with me. Thank you so much Nana. Bye. చేసిన స్టాప్